Next is two-dimensional array. A two-dimensional array is like a matrix. We see rows and columns that can be labeled like 3, 4 inside the square brackets. First dimension, 3, represents the row, and second dimension, 4, represents the column. To declare this type of array, we write int, 2 square brackets, the name, matrix, equals new int, and 2 more square brackets with 10 inside both square brackets. To assign values to a particular element, we can write matrix, square brackets, 3 and 4 equal 35. However, let's assign values to all elements using 2 for loops. This is a loop within a loop. First, initialize the temp value to 1, then the for loop. Int row equals 0, row less than 10, row plus plus, and inside that loop, we have int column equals 0, column less than 10, column plus plus. Now we write matrix, row, column, equal temp value. Then increment temp value by 1 using plus plus. Let me explain these for loops and assignments. When row equals 0 and the column equals 0, then assign the initial temp value 1. Increase the temp value from 1 to 2. Now the program remains in the second for loop with column. When row equals 0 and column equals 1, assign 2 to the matrix. This execution will continue until row and column is 9, because 9 is less than 10. Let's print system.out.print. Notice I'm not skipping a line with this statement. Therefore, I don't include ln after print. Matrix, row, column, plus tab. Now, skip a line after each row by adding sys out after the inner for loop. Let's run. We see 1 through 100 with 10 numbers on each row and 10 numbers in each column. That's it for Java arrays. Thank you.